Good morning, Mike Dickens here with Paradise Yachts. Today we're going to take a look at this 2005 Meridian 459. Come on, let's go aboard. Okay, we're up in the bow of the boat. This is the guest stateroom. As you can see here, we have a centerline queen. Lockers on either side. And we have a private bath just adjacent to the stateroom. Separate shower. And a vanity. Leading in from the companionway, we have another door. We're now looking to port at our galley. Our galley's up. Korean countertops, electric cooking, AC/DC Norco refrigerator, convection microwave. A lot of storage in this galley as well. A couple of very unique features on this boat. Here in the sole in the galley we have extra storage. Have lockers on both sides, and just forward of our galley we have our splendid wash and dryer. The owners call this the basement, so that's what we're going to call it. Okay, we're now standing in the salon. I'm looking forward. I'm standing on the aft port side of the salon. Settee here, lots of storage beneath it, high-low table. Lots of ventilation in this boat. Lots of illumination as well. Entertainment center, surround sound. Our electrical distribution panels are behind these panels here. Stairs going out to the aft deck. This is a recliner here on our port side. This bunk here makes into a sleeper sofa. Down a few steps. This berth here is on the starboard side. It's a queen. Storage beneath. Storage over forward. And storage aft. These are sliding glass doors that will take you into the cockpit if you want to go out there from the master. Here we have our entertainment system down here, a Toshiba TV. And moving over to our port side, we have our vanity. This boat was built with separate toilets and showers. You can see the toilet here. And just on the other side of the vanity we have our shower. Alright, we're going up onto the fly bridge now. A lot of seating up here, 6 or 8 people. We have a good assortment of Raymarine electronics, 2 chart plotters, autopilot, 2 Marine VHF radios, depth sounder. This canvas up here, like the aft canvas, is just 2 months old, brand new. Small U-line under counter refrigerator. Okay, we're going to go out on decks now. Notice we have a door on either side for easy boarding. Our foredeck up here. There's a sun pad that goes in this location right here. It's not mounted right now, it's down below. Lumar windlass, no chain and anchor. I'm sorry, chain and nylon rod. Anchor of course comes with it. Okay, we're in our area after the fly bridge. We're looking over to the port side. Got two wing doors here. Keep the rain out. Full canvas. This canvas is only a couple months old, brand new. Here's our entranceway to go down below to the cabins. And here's our wet bar back here. Now I'm looking aft, going down in the cockpit. Nice set of stairs here, no ladders to climb. There's our doorways into the master cabin. We have two transom doors on this boat. This is a fender locker. Will hold a number 10. And looking back over the port. Okay, we're in the cockpit now. We've got the deck raised up, looking at our Onan generator. Our battery banks are down here. Okay, we're down in the engine room. We're taking a look at the starboard engine now. These engines are very, very clean. I don't see any rust on any of them. They look real nice. Looking back aft, battery charging system. Now we're over here looking at our port engine now. Once again, real nice. Well, thanks for joining us today on the tour of this nice Meridian. She's a real nice boat. If you'd like more information or like to get aboard, feel free to contact me at the telephone number or the email address on your screen. Thank you very much.